In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the exploitation of a website using brute force attack. We are using Damn Web Vulnerable application as our website and Burp Suite for to create the payload and attack. And I'm going to give you a small description about brute force attack. A brute force attack is a trial and error method used to obtain information such as usernames and passwords. And let's see how it is done. First, we need to start the WAM server, and already I have started my DVWA application. I'm going to log in. The username is admin and password is password. Now I'm going to the page brute force. Now to check whether it is working or not, I'm going to give you the exact information. That username is admin and the password is password. It says welcome to the password protected area, and it gives the username of the user. And I'm going to give some of the data, and I'm going to check whether it is working or not. It says username and password is incorrect. So now what we are going to do is we are going to create a proxy, and we are going to intercept, and we are going to get the header of this page. So what we are going to do is we are going to start the Burp Suite. Before that, we need to start the proxy settings. So to start the proxy settings, go to your browser's option and go to advanced, and there you can find settings and click the manual proxy configuration and set the HTTP proxy to 127.0.0.1 and the port number 8080, and click OK. And now the proxy is set to be on. And now what we are going to do is we are going to give some information. And before that, open the Burp Suite. Go to proxy and check whether the intercept is on or not. If it is off, set it to on, and give some information and click it. And now you can see the header of the web page. It says the username is something and the password is something, and it is a get. And what we are going to do next is to go to intruder, first I'm going to click the action, and I'm going to send this entire thing to intruder, and I'm going to go to the position tab, and I'm going to clear everything, and I'm going to set it once again. The payloads, the first payload is username, and the second payload is the password. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the attack type to cluster bomb. I have changed the attack type to cluster bomb, and next what I'm going to do is I'm going to set some payload. So once you click the cluster bomb, you will be having two payloads, because in the position we have selected two payloads, because we are going to check for the username and password alone. And now we are having two payloads. We are going to give some informations like the username and password. We are going to add it manually, or you can load it from your text file, and in this case I'm going to load it manually. First is administrator. I'm adding the first payload, admin user username. Okay, we have added 4 usernames for the payload set 1, and for payload set 2 it is the password payload. We are going to check, we are going to add different words. I added passwd, pwd and password. So we have added 4 usernames and 3 passwords. Now we are going to start the attack. So you have to check for the length. If there is a change in the length, that will be the actual username and password. Here we can see there is a change in the length, and the username and password seems to be admin and password. We are going to check it. Before checking, go to your browser and stop the proxy. Your website will not be working in proxy mode, and I have disabled the proxy settings, and I'm reloading this page. The password and username we have found is admin and password. Admin and password. So the actual username and password is admin and password. This is how we can perform brute force attack. Thank you.